Hey everyone, welcome to Strathcona Pokemart. Today we have a pack of 151 thanks to Totodile here. And if you guys want to like, subscribe, comment down below, it really helps the channel out. Thanks. So first up we have a Magmar. That's cool. A Shelder, we don't have him, that's nice. A traumatized looking Bellsprout, cool. A Horsey. Nice. A Gloom. Ooh, a Dugtrio. That's excellent. A Clefable, cool. A Reverse Hollow Horsey, 2 in 1 pack, alright. A Reverse Hollow Grimer, not bad. And a Hollow Dotrio. Okay, basic energy and the QR code for the game. Thanks everyone, we'll see you next time.